Hello everyone, welcome to CAP 2023 Introduction to Game Programming. My name is Luke Sui. I'm the professor of this class. Here's my information at my office, ATC room 215F, and my phone number 36506-4124. And here's my email. This is the course syllabus, so you can find all my information on top of the course syllabus. In this class, we learn the Unity core features. Students will learn the fundamentals of creating game with Unity. The course teaches how to import, evaluate, and manage the game resources, set up a step-by-step workflow in Unity, build and import textures, use C# scripts to manage the objects. The prerequisite of this class is COP1000, the principles of computer programming. That means you have the computer programming background. Learning outcome. On successful completion of this course, students will be able to understand the concepts of game engines, use Unity to develop a game program, apply C# scripts in Unity project, add AI and objects in game, use finite state machines. In this course, we do a lot of hands-on. Practice. You need to have some basic computer skills before you take this class. That means you need to know how to use Filecoin Online, discussion board, Dropbox, to send email, receive email, open attachment, attach the files, submit assignments into the Dropbox, manage the computer files, create, delete folders and files, upload, download files, open links, zip, unzip files, folders, move files and folders to different locations on different storage devices, download, install, and uninstall softwares. These are all the basic computer skills, and I assume that you learned it already before this class. I will not spend any time to teach you how to do this. If you have trouble to do the basic skills like this, you better make up quickly, learn it quickly. Search on Google, learn from YouTube, or go to our academic support center to learn these basic skills. The textbook we use here, we have two textbooks. The first one is Unity 5, from 0 to proficiency, and here's the ISB number. And the other book we use is Unity 5 from 0 to proficiency intermediate. In this book, we learn C#. We use C# to manage the objects in Unity. So there are two books that we're going to use in this course. And we have a lot of assignments. We have exams. They all have due date. So you need to finish all by the due date. The due date is posted in the assignment. And you also can find the due date in the schedule in D2L. And these are the requirements for the exam assignments. We don't take late assignments if you don't have any reason that you just miss the deadline. We don't take it unless you tell me something beforehand, saying you need extension. You can't tell me before the deadline. I will give you extension. And here's a grading policy. We have 12 assignments, 6 points each. Well, 2 exams, 1 final exam. And here's a class withdrawal process. These are the support services. We have Veteran Office, we have Academic Support Center, Writing Center, Library, Technical Support, Center for Women. In this course, we learn 2 books. The first part of the course is we learn how to use Unity. We get familiar with the Unity. It's a tool, it's a software. We use this software to develop the game. And with this one, that's the first book covers. You need to install the software, and you need to play with the software, create some objects, create scenes, create views. Since the book is very straightforward, so I wouldn't record any video to teach you how to do this. Also, I will introduce you the author's website. The author has created a video for the first book. So if you follow the book, and there you can watch author's video to see how to create objects, how to create views, how to create a scene. It's very clear and easy to follow. So that's the video I want you to watch, and I'll show you how to do it in my next video. And so we have assignments. You can download the course syllabus from orientation, and there's also my office hours. And in each chapter, notice here we have instructions there. For example, Foundation, the first book, chapter 1, 2. We have videos here to show you. You need to register on author's website. This is a link. If you click on it, you open the YouTube video right here. And in this video, what we do is I showed you how to register on author's website, and you can see the videos here. And after you register, you can just click on each chapter and watch the videos like this. Author shows you how to do it step by step through each chapter. So it's a very good video for you to follow up. Of course, you don't have to watch this video. You can just follow the book, because the book has a very clear picture to show you how to do it step by step. Just the next video.
In a project, it shows you how to do it step by step. It's very clear and easy to follow. Of course, you can see the same thing on a textbook, but with the video here, it helps you to follow up.
So that's the video I want you to follow up. And also, I created a video here saying download and install Unity on your computer. It takes a little time to install Unity. It's a very big program. So before you do that, make sure, because you can install Unity on both Apple's computer and Windows computer. And before you follow this link to see if your computer is compatible with Unity requirement. And this link shows you how to download Unity. And also, if you watch this video here, watch this video. Take me a little while to download and install the videos. To install them, it takes a little while, so you can see the bar keep going. And one thing I want you to know that after during the time you install, license, we don't need a license there because we use free software. So all you do is you create a new project here, and then they want you to, at this moment, they want you to add a license. We don't have a license because we use a free version, personal version. So you click on Activate License. After you click on it, you're going to come to this dialog box here. It says Unity Personal. That's the one you choose. You don't choose a Plus, Pro. This is the paid version. You choose a Unity Personal, and then you make a selection here, and you choose the second read button here. Saying, second one, I don't use Unity as a professional capacity. That means we're students. We use it to study, so we don't do any commercial thing. So you choose this one and click Done. After you click Done, you'll be ready to use the software. So that's it. After this one here, you're done. So make sure you click on this is the back button here. Make sure you click on this one to go back to the previous screen. Don't continue here. Just stop right here, and notice here at this moment you have a Unity icon right here. Then you're ready. You just double click on this icon to open the Unity on your computer. Don't do anything here. We don't need to return a license because we got one already. We activated the license already. This is the free personal license. We got it here already. All you do is you go back to preferences. This is very confusing. If you can keep adding a new license out of many activities, you'll get lost. So make sure you stop right here. Just stop right here. Click on the back button here. The back button right here. Click on back and you're done. And then you open the icon on your desktop there to open the Unity. So that's what Unity look like after you activate it. See, after you double click on the icon, you get this. Now you're ready. You click on new project and you play with this. That's chapter 1. That's chapter 1. So that's the Unity video. So after this, you're ready to do the coursework. The coursework, I have a guide here saying chapter 1, 2. It doesn't have any assignment. All you do is you read and you install. You register, you install. And I recommend you, everybody need to create an account with Unity.com. Unity.com, because if you wanted to import any assets into your Unity, you need to have an account with Unity Store. So you need to register a free account with Unity.com or Unity Store. There you can import assets. Many assets in Unity Store are free. So that's what you need to do. And in chapter 1, 2, don't do anything. Just read the book, follow, install Unity, play with Unity, get familiar with the menu, with templates, with the buttons, views, and the scenes. There are a lot of features in Unity, a lot of functions in Unity. Get familiar with that chapter 1. No assignments. But we start to do assignments in chapter 3. Look at chapter 3. Right here, we have chapter 3. And we say we have 3 assignments. First of all, you follow the book from chapter 3, page 30 to 47. All of these are the steps that you play with Unity. And the book has a very clear step for you to follow up. There are pictures, and there are some errors in the book. I noticed there already. So if you get stuck, you probably want to watch the video that I have introduced to you right here. Yeah, right here. This video, that one. This video. Register on author's website and go to our resource site there to watch the video. And you should be able to complete the first assignment from page 30 to 47. Actually, it is not something you need to create. You just follow the book to do it. And then when you finish, you get a code. It's a big project, so you have a folder for each project. In the folder, there are a lot of files. There are many files in the folder. It's big. But that's your assignment. You save it. And then you continue to work on assignment 2. Assignment 2 is from page 77. Based on what you have done from page 30 to 47, you get familiar with Unity. So you're able to create your own project. And then that's the instruction on page 77. You do it and you save it. So you have what you do is you create a folder for assignment 1, then you create a folder for assignment 2, then you create a folder for assignment 3. And there's 3 folders, there are files, subfolders in each folder, and that's the assignment I want you to create. And then you have 3 folders already. Some we do the same format for every other chapters. Some challenge, so we have to challenge 1, challenge 2. Some challenge 2 is based on challenge 1. So when you work on challenge 2, you create a copy of challenge 1 folder, and then you continue the challenge 2 on a copy of a challenge 1 folder. So you have 2 separate folders, and you get this done. When finish all, you'll need to zip the entire folder and the subfolder. Zip the folder with all files and the subfolders in it. And so you have one big package in the zipped folder, and you submit it to the job box. Before you submit it, you need to here's the procedure for attendance assignment. So you zip your first last name in the file name, upload the zip file to the cloud storage. Because our job box here in the assignment folder right here, it is very small. We don't have enough space to code your project. So what we need to do is you go to Jobbox or Box.com or OneDrive to create an account free, and then you put all your zip file into your web storage, and you create a link for sharing the file. Copy the link to the comment section of the Falcon assignment Dropbox. The link should be put into the comment, and upload the file, your introduction file, any file, as the zip attendance for the assignment Dropbox, and submit it. The reason I want you to put your link to the comment of the Falcon Online Dropbox is you cannot put a link into the comment without putting a file in it. That's why I want you to put your introduction file right here. For example, we have a requirement here in overview right here. Actually, it is right here. Attendance. We want you to say something about yourself, and you put into the attendance. So attendance is right here. Attendance is right here. So you say something about yourself, make it a file. Every time you turn in the assignment, you also submit your attendance file, and you put the link of your assignment to the comment. So you read, if you forget it, read this and follow the steps that we have put right here. Zip the folders, put into your storage with OneNote website, and make sure it is sharing. Create a link for the sharing the file. Copy the link to the comment. When you copy the link to the comment, you upload a file such as this zipped attendance file each time, because you have to put you have to submit upload a file. Then you're able to put a comment, put your link into the comment, and you click on submit. That's the format for every chapter assignment. For example, let's look at chapter 4. We do the same thing. Say chapter 4, you do step page 79 to 107, and after you finish reading and doing these pages, you are done with your assignment. And then we want you to work on assignment 5. Assignment 5, you complete challenge 1 on page 110 and challenge 2 on page 110. Turn into the Dropbox. In this chapter, we don't want you to turn in the book work anymore. Instead, we want you to work on challenge 1, 2 as the assignment. And this 2 is based on 1. So you have to do both of them. You cannot just do page challenge 2, because challenge 2 is based on challenge 1. So this time, you do challenge 1 and you do challenge 2. And then you zip the folder, upload it to your Dropbox.com or Box.com or OneDrive.com, create a link for sharing, and then you submit the link to the Dropbox. Meanwhile, you also need to attach or upload a file. We say want you to upload your attendance file. Just give some introduction about yourself. Make it a Word file or text file. You submit it, and then you put a link into the comment. So that's this chapter. Same thing for the rest of chapters. So we have assignments folder right here, a lot of assignments, and we have discussion right here. If you have questions, you can submit your discussion there for people to share, for people to talk about it.